Hello everyone. In this video I'll be sharing with you this fat burning cinnamon puree and tea recipe that will help you maintain a flat belly. As you can see, this is my belly now. These are the recipes I consume to burn all the fats and help me maintain a flat belly. And this is a picture of my belly, how it used to be so big and chunky before. So in order to make our fat burning recipe, cinnamon puree and tea, the first ingredient we'll be using, of course, will be cinnamon. Cinnamon is the primary ingredient here. So this is ground cinnamon. It helps to support your system break down fats, heavy carbs you consume, all the processed foods your system is unable to break down. This softens everything and help your system break down the food so nothing stores up, causing belly fat and weight gain. So this recipe is good for breakfast and dinner as well. Very low calorie. So in order to come up with this recipe, the first ingredient we'll be using will be apples. So if you are used to applesauce takes you to your restroom as well. It softens your belly, softens your stool, so there's no hardened food store up in your belly, causing that big belly, that chunky belly, constipated big belly. This softens your belly. If you're used to applesauce, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So this is kind of an apple cinnamon sauce which doubles up to break down the fats, plus one ingredient I'll be adding in here. So what you need to do is you need 2 apples. So you want this to keep you full for some time but with less calories. Like this is no calorie, like little or no calorie in here, and very healthy. So you want it in at least a quantity that can keep you for some time without you craving for food. So this can be your breakfast or dinner. So what you want to do is get your 2 apples, you wash thoroughly and slice into some good sizes that we can easily come up with the sauce. So this is it. I'm not peeling the apple because I need the fiber in here. Fiber is very good for weight loss. Like it keeps you full with which is with less calories and easily metabolizes without storing up. So this is so healthy. This is a very healthy breakfast or dinner idea. So that is it. I'll wash up the ingredients again later, but let me introduce you the second ingredient, and that will be cucumber. So I'm not peeling the cucumber. Some people peel the cucumber so it looks like you don't have the greenish color, but I am fine with the peel because of the fiber. I need the fiber in here to actually help to that soften me up from the inside, help me break down anything. Like this is so nourishing without storing up, causing belly fat and weight gain. Very healthy. Plus cucumbers are very good and healthy for your system. So coming up with a puree like this with cucumber and apple, very healthy and nutrient dense, plus less calories you need. So what you want to do is to get your cucumber. So this is not zucchini because most people see this is English cucumber. You can use the regular cucumber, just that I easily lay my hands on this one, but they are all the same. So you want to get your large cucumber, you slice into some sizes that you can easily like put in the pot and get the puree out of these. So just make sure to watch and see how I do everything to the end. So this is my cucumber. You want to put it in a bowl now, add with the other ingredients and rinse. So I like to wash and rewash my ingredients because I don't want any possible chances of any dirt getting into my system. So now I will rewash these ingredients and voila, these are my rewashed ingredients and ready now to be put in the pot. These 2 ingredients together are very healthy. Like your doctors will always tell you about cucumbers. They will always recommend apples for you because they are alkalizing. They have a lot of benefits to your system. Plus the good fiber in here is very good for this puree to keep you full so you don't crave for long. So now what you want to do is to put in your pot and add in some cinnamon powder. So I'll be adding in like a teaspoon of cinnamon powder in here because I cleanse a lot. So I don't want too much because I don't want to really, but if you don't cleanse a lot, you can put 1 teaspoon. So I just put half a teaspoon because I'm just from detoxing my system. I think two days ago I did a video like with detox smoothie, so I need just half a teaspoon of cinnamon. But if you haven't detoxed for long, you can put one teaspoon of cinnamon. So you want to put it on your stove or your gas. You want to put it there and leave it for like 10-15 minutes. When you see it boiling like this, you don't want to really cook for long. You don't want it really cook. You just want to keep it for like 10-15 minutes. When it looks like this is what you want to just like put off your stove now and come up with the puree and the tea. So this is kind of two in one, giving you a very rich tea, your hot metabolism boosting tea, plus your puree, which is like a very healthy breakfast or dinner idea for you. Like your tea and your dinner alongside. So your tea and your meal alongside. So this is it. You want to like sieve and get your tea and use this the apple now and the cucumber for the puree. So this is the tea in the cup. I'll transfer in my cup. Now I want to kind of blend to achieve my puree. So if you don't have a blender, you can pound, you can match. If you have like this hand blender, or you know how you can mash these ingredients, that is okay. But I just like blending as it is easier for me. So you want to blend. My puree looks kind of greenish, yellowish because of the color of the apple and the cucumber. So it gives this kind of yellowish, kind of greenish color, but so nourishing. So this is it. After you blend, that is your puree and this is your tea. So as I mentioned earlier, this is a very good breakfast or dinner idea if you want to maintain that flat belly. You don't want to go for heavy meals that are loaded with a lot of calories, fats, and a lot of like calories to put in your system. This is a very light, low calorie breakfast or dinner idea you can have to maintain that flat belly without loading your belly with a lot of bad fats and calories, making it always big and constipated. This is a very light and healthy dinner you want to go for. So I always have people asking me, Riza, after consuming all those fat burning recipes, how do I maintain a flat belly? So these are the kinds of fat burning recipes you can have. Like it will keep you full while burning fat in your system, because the apple sauce is very good at burning fat, plus the cinnamon. Like this is so, it will keep you full, burn fats. Like just keep maintaining that flat belly, burning that fat so nothing stores up, causing that chunky, big, bloated belly. We all want to, besides, we all want to stay healthy with a healthy body size, not just to flaunt our bellies, but to have that healthy body size so you don't end up obese, which leads to other health complications. So this is why I share these recipes for a healthy life, not just to have that flat belly to look good, but to equally live a very healthy life without a lot of weight, with bad calories and junk in your system. This is a very healthy recipe you want to try and tell Riza how you loved it later. I hope someone finds this video helpful, and I know for sure you'll find it helpful. Share with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.